Morning, top of the morning to you. Oh my goodness, these tamales, I know they're going to be so good. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, there is my, look at that tamale. I am going to take it right down to my stomach, okay? And this is green sauce, okay? Usually put those on tacos, and of course I have my coffee. Now today I'm having oh my goodness, what am I gonna say, hazelnut creamer. So excited, okay? Just so excited. Yes. I don't even know the latest dances, but you know how you just get so excited, you just feel like you gotta do a little something something. You just feel so happy and good about life, about everything. Yes. Okay. That's how I feel right now. New things, okay? Big things, okay? Big dreams, you know? Yes. These are the Mukluks slippers, okay? And you can wear them outdoors. Yes. They have all that inside right there. Yes. It's cozy right now. I'm comfy and cozy, and I'm chilling in my film room. And, you know, I'm doing multiple things at one time. So, yes, I'm going to go ahead and take a quick little bite of my tamale. And when I say, I'm going to give you a good gander of this so you can see. Just look at this tamale. Okay. And I like to heat mine up with the husk still on here. But just look at all that oily goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that tamale. Mm, mm, mm. So yes, I'm about to go heat it up real quick and heat my coffee up. So yeah, look. But I was just moving. Nothing but abundance, okay? Benevolence, okay? Yes. Yes, yeah. I just had to get that off. I'm in a good state of mind and I feel great. I feel good. I feel fine. Mm, mm, mm. This is not a mukbang. But look at that. Just lit my candle. And this is called black patchouli. Okay. Or is it this hand? No, it's this hand. You know? It's this black patchouli. Patchouli. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I am back in my little space. Look. If y'all watched my video from yesterday, look, the sweater. Well, okay, when I was in that store, let me put my candle behind me because you know I'm trying to catch all that aroma. Just create the perfect ambiance. No, nothing is not too close to anything, okay? And I'm gonna blow it out when I'm done, okay? But I kind of want to prop y'all up real quick. But then again, I don't. But I don't feel like holding this. But I'm vlogging, so it is what it is. But when I was in the store shopping for I was walking around, and I had always wanted a sweater like that because I have been seeing people with them, right? And I'm like, that sweater is so cute, and I like fuzzy, cozy stuff like that. And if you saw in the inside of this Mukluk boot slipper, right there, that material that's in there, they even say that they put like some type of conditioner in there to make this fuzzy part. Let me show you again. This fuzzy part right here, they said that they put some type of conditioner in it to make it real soft. But the sweaters remind me of like lamb, or is it sheep? Well, the hair, you know, and the sweater reminds me of that. And that was like, pink is my favorite, one of my favorite colors, okay, outside of gold. Yes. So, okay, that's why you see all that gold everywhere. Yeah, so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just keep the camera rolling, okay? Because I had got up to try it on because I knew that I wanted to put that part in the video. And I'm telling you, when I put that sweater on, my arm, okay, like you see how this sweater here, it fits my sleeves. It fits my wrist area, right? When I put that sweater on, it just did just like this. Ooh, I was like, no. Oh, keep rolling. Just let the camera keep rolling. And so what I'm going to try to do is go back. When I get ready to move around and about to start doing my little pickups for the holidays, my gift giving, you know, I'm going to just go ahead and try to pick me up one. Okay? So, yeah. But I was like, I don't know what happened. So, yeah. So, that's all I'm doing right now. I'm about to start folding some clothes and tidy up a bit. And, yeah. So, that's all I want to talk about. I hope everybody is well, you know. I hope all is well. Do you guys cook on the holidays? I'm thinking about making a dish, but I'm not, like, for Christmas, it's not like this whole big old shebang, like this big thing, you know. I just want to make a dish or two and some desserts. And when I do go out, I'm going to bring y'all along with me, okay? So hopefully I get to get out and move around this weekend. And yeah, so that's all, because I need some new jeans. Like, I'm the type of person, like, I shop and tell me, let me tell you, like, why did I just say tell me? I'll shop and I'll put things away, okay? I'll just get my little containers and put clothes away that I've bought and I had not wore yet. So I want to start pulling, I need some jeans, basically. I need to shop for some jeans. And I want to try to find a sweater. So that's something that I know that I want. Some jeans. I think I'm going to buy 2 pairs of jeans. I'm going to try to find me 2 more pairs of jeans. And a sweater. That zip sweater. Okay? Because I have those sweaters that I did a try on haul. So if you have not watched that, go ahead and watch that. And get caught up on my latest videos. Okay? So this is Vlogmas day number 4, and I just want to come in and just spread a little joy, okay? And wow, it's, wait a minute, watch your hand, child, because can't let that tree fall, okay? All the way up there, you see that tree? So, okay, I was just moving around my tree, and I just want to come in and spread a little cheer, a little joy, okay? Hang on, just want to stay tuned. Miss Virgo Creativity, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.